Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to create a citation for your book. So first of all, you go to citationmachine.net and then you click on MLA Citation, and then you're going to click here, like there's going to be a source type question, and you're going to click on book, and we have to find the book. So what we do is we're gonna just search up a book. So depending on your class, you might need to check with your class, like your syllabus. You need to make sure that your book is up to date, and if you don't have the book online, like in here, like in the search bar, make sure to put that book manually, which you can do it here, like create manual citation. So I'm just gonna do a book here. I'm just gonna choose it from here, since most of you guys are wondering what's happening. So we go here and then continue click. So it's gonna ask for the author. So I'm just gonna make up an author name. So Ali, the last name is Johnson, Ali Johnson. Source title is the book. Volume is 1, total volumes, edition number 13, series is 131. I'm just making these up. And you got to be careful about the citation, since you're writing an essay and plagiarism can cause big trouble for your school. So the citing is the whole book. If you want to do chapter or preface, you gotta click on there. So this is an automatic citation, since we're doing this online. So yeah. After you do that, it's gonna ask you for a create citation. I'm just gonna choose the MLA 9 format and create citation, and it's gonna tell us here. What happened? 1 minute, guys. So it just glitched. Oh, so it's here. After I clicked create citation, it automatically showed me that there's a citation. So it shows works cited, and we're gonna click on copy citation, and that's actually it. And if it says missing information, please be careful about that, and make sure that your teacher is using MLA. If she's using APA, it might be different. And also, I'm gonna make videos about APA and MLA, Chicago, and those type of things. So just be careful, guys. Make sure to do it right. Ask your friends, ask your teacher. Um, and basically, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I want everybody to participate in the comments. If you have any like problems with citation, your classes, comment below. People can answer your question. Use this video as a Reddit post. And yeah, so I just try to show everything that I can. If you guys have any questions, ask. And thank you all so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.